Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX here and welcome to another new video. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off Google Play Product Service in your Android phone. But here is a soft warning. If you turn off the Google Play Product Service, you may face security issues. So make sure that you are aware of it. So to do that, normally you have to open the Google Play Store, but before doing it, I'm requesting you to hit that subscribe button. Alright, so first of all, open the Play Store. And you will see an interface like this. They normally click on the top right corner's profile icon and then choose Play Product. And then normally click on the top right corner's settings icon and check this first box to turn off. And now choose again turn off. And then you have to provide your lock screen pattern or password. Just provide it. And that's it. Here you can see that we have successfully turned off our Google Play product settings. So that's it. Now you know how to turn off Google Play product service permanently. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.